How to buy Bonkey token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen right now, and it created 5 hours ago and increased by 23,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So this token also trending number 1 on base section on the screen right now. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I would use the Bitcoin wallet. I will just log into my wallet like that. From here, select the base as a network. As you can see, now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added that's called Bonkey. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here, as you can see, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. This is how much you will be able to receive of that token. And after that, it's easy and simple. Just click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Bonkey token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.